Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Reinventing Life by Confipreneur DK. I may be one of your mother's friend, Davinder auntie. Auntie mat kaho, DK keh sakte ho. I am starting the series Fix Your Problem Thenali Raman Way for you. Purpose is to help you sort out small and bigger issues fun way with zero load and no stress. And you never know how amazingly your future can also be worked out. So what are we going to talk about in our series? I'll be narrating some of very popular stories about lifestyles of Tenali Raman, who was a well-known Ashtadiggaya, 8th pillar of Royal Court of Emperor of Vijayanagar Empire in Karnataka, India, named Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Some of you may already know about Tenali Raman. Let me tell you about Tenali Raman. What kind of person he was. Most of you must have read his books. He was known for his acute wit and humor. He was known to be an admirable poet of knowledge, his shrewdness and ingenuity. Let's start with the first episode of our series. It is named The Sunrise. Before starting the episode and this story, I want you kids to carefully note what witty behaviors or good deeds Tenali was doing during the story is going on. And in the end, we will pick up those witty good behaviors of Tenali Raman and try to apply on our life. Let's start this story, The Sunrise. You may not know, Tenali Raman had actually lost his father at a tender age. He grew up as a carefree and a vagabond child. क्योंकि फादर नहीं थे लाइफ में तो वो बिल्कुल केयरफ्री चलता था. As morning till evening he remained in the company of mischievous village boys जो ना कभी अपनी माँ की मदद करते थे और ना पढ़ाई में सीरियस थे. They used to give excuses to dodge studies and avoid helping their mother. One day Tenali Raman met a sage. साधु उनके गांव में आया. Advised him to pray goddess Kali. Accordingly, Tenali went to old Kali temple of the village and respectfully chanted the mantra taught by the sage. साधु जी ने उन्हें कोई मंत्र बताया कि जाके goddess Kali के लिए pray कीजिए. As soon as he completed the recitation, holy mantra, 1,00,000 time, 1,00,000 बार उन्होंने वो मंत्रा का जाप किया. And Goddess Kali appeared. Goddess Kali, she had 1,000 faces and she looked terrifying. But Tenali was not scared with this appearance. And on seeing the goddess, पहले तो Tenali ने Goddess माँ काली के पैर छुए और उनको देखकर फिर जोर जोर से हंसने लगा. So Goddess Kali obviously was very curious. ये क्या हो रहा है? She was aroused. And she ordered him that explain me कि why are you laughing? Now this time Tenali got a little scared and said, forgive me mother for laughing, divine mother. But एक funny thought मेरे दिमाग में आया. मैं अपने आप को रोक ही नहीं सका. She said, what is that? Then he says, mother, I have 2 hands and a nose. जब सर्दी होती है और मेरा ये नाक बहना शुरू करता है, I can't even control with my 2 hands. How do you control with 1,000 faces and 1,000 noses? Goddess Kali herself started laughing and it was an amusing thing for her. What exactly Tenali Raman is up to? So she says, you are a witty person. I do give you a good name. You will be called Vikat Kavi. Listening to the name Vikat Kavi, immediately Tenali said, mother, you have given me such a good word. Vikat Kavi. It can read both ways. आप दोनों तरफ से उस नाम को सही उसी तरीके से पढ़ सकते हैं. Vikat Kavi. So Tenali said, लेकिन काली माँ, मैं इस नाम का क्या करूँ? इससे मेरा क्या भला होगा? So mother thought and said, अच्छा, I'll give you another boon. आप एक और विश मांगो. तो खुद ही काली माँ ने 2 कप निकाले अपने हाथ में. The right hand had the golden cup and the left hand had the silver cup. The right hand had the cup full of milk of learning, and the left hand had the cup, silver cup, full of curd of wealth. This time, when she offered and said, Tenali, choose one. But Tenali was again very witty, as you know. So he said, Mother, I must have both the cups, because one won't be of any use to me without the other. Oh mother, how can I choose without tasting it, when she refused to give both the cups to him? Okay, now this time mother had to think, because he wants to taste it. So she said, okay, and she placed her hands in front of him. Within a fraction of seconds, Tenali immediately finished one cup after the other. Both cups completely finished. I'm sorry, mother, he said humbly, but I had to have both the cups, because what is the use of mere learning to me without the comfort of wealth? He was damn smart, but this time mother did not like it. Tenali had mastered everything, but he was not careful. So when he was on pleading on the feet of mother, please excuse me, but this has to be done, mother said, okay, I give you this boon to have wealth as well as knowledge. But remember, prosperity will win you both friends and enemies. So prosperity and wealth both win you friends and enemies. So Tenali Raman, from a small village boy, actually kept growing after this, because this boon was there with him. After receiving this boon, soon Tenali Raman got aware that he has to make progress. Then he had to move out of his village, Tenali, and go to Hampi, which was actually a commercial capital of Vijayanagar at that point in time. Tenali was aware that King Raya was a great patron of arts and learning. So one fine day, from royal court, one of their Guru Charya, Rajguru, came over to his village. So he went running and tried to recite all of his poems, some of his poems, to Rajguru. Rajguru really liked it, and he actually invited him to the royal court. But once Tenali Raman went there with complete packing up his family, taking his younger brother, his older mother and a small baby, he reached out to royal court. Obviously, Rajguru did not recognize him, and Raman reminded him of his promise, but रॉयल ब्रश ऑफ. ना राजगुरु ने उसे याद किया और ना तेनाली रामन को रॉयल कोर्ट में एंट्री मिली. But obviously he had Kali's boon, and he was so witty that he managed to go in front of the royal court, Raja Devaraya, and he started his journey getting into the court from rags and went ahead to accumulate riches. Sure enough, he completed it from childhood to adulthood, from innocent village guy to one of the very witty, knowledgeable Ashtadigaja of Royal Court of Vijayanagar. So this was the story how Tenali Raman became what he was. Yes kids, so what we learnt during our stories. Let's catch up some of the things which went by. The beautiful thing, starting up from a village, reaching up to this kind of a level, he achieved success. Now he says success is the old ABC. What do you mean by ABC? A is for your ability, B is your breaks you get in life, C is the courage you carry. If you keep these three with you, success is definitely yours. So life lessons out of this story we could get. Some of the things which Tenali Raman showed was the very first thing he showed. Be truthful and honest. He was very honestly chanting the mantra the moment sage told him to do. The very first thing he did was obey the elders. So obeying the elders was the amazing thing which helped him. Being honest and truthful and doing what has been told was the second thing which he worked out. He dedicates all his deeds to God and Goddess, because he surrendered himself to the Goddess. So Goddess could easily give all the boons what he wanted. So there are another couple of things which you could find out. Think about it. Yes, the fourth thing which came up during the story, be firm yet humble. When Rajguru forgot and did not recognize him, he kept putting his things forward. He was firm but humble and got into the royal court. So we need to be perseverance, to keep doing our things, and one day we will succeed no matter what. So here is this beautiful story with so much of learning and so much of things. Let's start and keep working towards what is good for us and how do we move forward. See you in the second story next week with the name The Prodigy. See you.